Hello guys, welcome to my channel and thank you to every returning subscriber. Today we're going to be making the back armhole, and I already have a video of the front armhole on this channel. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box in case you haven't seen that video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So let's get started. So we have our paper right there, and we've taken out a straight line at the top to indicate the shoulder line. Now we're going to be taking out the width of our neck, which is going to be 3, and we're taking the depth as 1.5. So we'll just go ahead and curve that out with our French curve like so. And now we're done taking out our neck point right there. We're going to be taking out our shoulder line, which is dividing your shoulder into 2. For this we're using 15 divided into 2, which is 7.5. So we're coming down by 1 inch, which I always say the reason for this is because our shoulder is in a slant and not in a straight line. So we're just going to be connecting the 1 inch right there, and we're also going to be connecting that 1 inch to the neck width. So once we're done doing this, the next thing we're going to be taking out is the armhole measurement. This you're going to be placing your tape around your armhole like so, and what you have here you're going to be dividing it into 2. For these we're using 16 divided into 2, which is 8. And now that we have 8, we're just going to be marking out 8 on the straight line right there, and now we're just going to be connecting that with our ruler. So we're connecting where we have 1 there to where we have 8. And once we're done taking out the straight line, we already have our chest line as well. So now we're just going to be reeling out the straight line on where we have that chest line. So once we're done taking out the chest line, the next thing we have to do right now is determine the midpoint of the armhole area. So for that, we'll just go ahead and place our tape at where we marked out our armhole, and now we're just going to be folding our tape into 2, which we have the midpoint right there. So once we have that midpoint, we're just going to be connecting where we have 1 to the midpoint and then to the chest line. It's that simple. Just go ahead and find the way to place your curve. Make sure it is well placed. You can just position it so it meets the one at the shoulder slope and the midpoint at the armhole area, and then to the chest line. And once you have that right there, you just go ahead and curve it out like so. And once you're done rolling this out, we'll go ahead and label our pattern. So this is the back, which is B, and then the neck point right there at the neck depth we have 1.5. The neck width we took out 3, at the shoulder line 7.5, and there is our shoulder slope, which is 1, and our armhole is 8, and this is our chest line. So once we're done marking this out, we'll go ahead and cut. So now we'll just go ahead and cut out our pattern. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and you could go ahead and drop comments in the comment section in case you have any other thing you want me to work on. So now we'll just go ahead and cut this out so we'll see how beautiful it looks. And in case you haven't seen the front pattern, I already have a detailed video on that, and I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box so you can go ahead and watch that so you understand. Thank you. So now this is our armhole right there, which is the back armhole, and now we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for staying with us, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next one.